Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Rabab, the science teacher. This video is about the first inquiry activity in the lesson solid, liquid and gases. I will encourage you all to open page 52 and listen and watch the video, and then I will show you the model answer after the video is finished. Let's all watch.
In this lesson, you'll use models to figure out how the arrangement of particles in different states of matter affect their properties. Let's look back at the video you saw earlier in the lesson. How do the properties of solid water change as it melts into liquid water? In this activity, you'll investigate differences in types of matter and how well they can change shape. To carry out this investigation, you'll use a syringe, a sponge, a number cube, modeling clay, a large beaker, water, and a graduated cylinder. To complete this activity, you'll visit 3 stations and investigate whether you can change the shape of different kinds of matter. Before you begin, make a prediction. Can we easily change the shape of different types of matter? Take a moment to record and share your prediction with your classmates, then select Continue. In this activity, you will use a syringe. Let's learn about its parts. A syringe consists of a barrel, plunger, tip, and usually a measuring scale. The barrel is a tube-like structure that holds the fluid to be used or tested. Today, you'll fill the barrel with air. The plunger is the part of the syringe that is pushed or pulled. The direction the plunger is moved determines the direction the fluid will move. If you pull on the plunger, then fluid is pulled into the barrel. If you push on the plunger, then fluid is pushed out of the barrel. The tip of the syringe is where fluid enters or exits the barrel. Finally, most syringes have a scale for measuring the volume of fluid in the barrel. This is very similar to the way the graduated cylinder has a scale you can use to measure volume. Now that you know how to work a syringe, let's continue to Station 1, where you will investigate the shape of air. Pull air into the syringe, and then cover the tip with your finger. Push on the plunger. If you have difficulty reaching the end of the plunger with your finger, then try this. Place your thumb over the tip of the syringe, feeling it. Grip the barrel of the syringe with the rest of your hand. Place the plunger on the palm of your other hand. You can either push the plunger up with your palm, or you can push the syringe downward toward your palm. Where is the air located? What shape did the air have? What happened as you pushed on the plunger? Record your observations in your notebook. When you finish recording your data, then select Continue.
When she says notebook, it means the textbook, okay? Don't get confused.
Let's move to Station 2. At this station, you will see a sponge, a number cube, and modeling clay. Squeeze the sponge. Observe what happens to its shape. Record your observations in your notebook, then select Continue. Now squeeze the number cube between your fingers. What happens to its shape? Record your observations in your notebook. Select Continue. Next, squeeze the modeling clay. How does the shape of the modeling clay change? Record your observations in your notebook. After you have finished recording your data, select Continue. Time to head to Station 3. At this station, you will see some water, a beaker, and a graduated cylinder. Carefully fill the beaker halfway with water. Pour some of the water from the beaker into the graduated cylinder. What happens to the water's shape? Record your observations in your notebook. When you finish recording your observations, select Continue. Now that you've finished gathering information, take some time to communicate your findings. Use your data to complete the remainder of the Communicate Information section.
Thank you all for watching. Now, I encourage you all to open the textbook page 52. For make prediction question is can we easily change the shape of different types of matter? The model answer for this prediction will start from the word the shape of some types of matter such as liquid and gases can be changed more easily than others. This is the model answer. The second question, when you go to station number 1, the sample answer will be the plunger gets harder to push down. If I kept pushing, the air was forced out of the end of the syringe. So this is the model answer for page 52. Students who have or who are slow in writing, you can of course stop the video, and when you finish writing in your textbook, push play again. Next page. Page 53, station 2, where it says squeeze the sponge, observe what happened to its shape, and record your observation in the box below. The model answer will be, starting from here, the sponge looked crushed when we squeezed it, but then returned to its original shape. Question 5, squeeze the number cube between your fingers, observe what happened to its shape, and record your observation. The model answer will be, the shape of the number cube did not change when I squeezed it. And number 6, squeeze the modeling clay and observe what happened to its shape, and we record the observation based on the video we just saw. The model answer will start with the word, the modeling clay had an imprint where I squeezed it with my hand and stayed in that shape. So this is the model answer for page 52, 3, and now page 54, station 3, number 7 and 8. The model answer will be for number 8, I observe water from the beaker take the shape of the graduated cylinder as it was poured. And the last question will be number 9 on page 53, the communication information. The model answer will be, my results supported my prediction, which is the prediction, the first question we answered, because I could easily change the shape of the gas and the liquid. Each of the stations explored the state of matter and how they behave. This is Mrs. Rabab. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.